going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, man, bringing you another one, man. All right, so today what we're gonna do, man? Today we're gonna go see my dude Gabe over there at Unique Rides. You guys know, man, if you guys been watching my videos, you guys know, man, they're the ones who do all of my custom work for my car. If you haven't been watching my videos, that's a nice ass old school right there. Damn. Anyway, if you have not been watching my videos, this is one of your first videos that you've been watching. Unique Rides, man, it's gonna be at the bottom of the screen, man. Make sure you guys go give those guys a follow. They do great work, man. They do a lot of high-end cars. I mean, they do the whole spectrum, man. They do a lot of high-end cars. They do old school cars. They do regular cars. I mean, they do anything, man. They put their hands on anything, and they all come out super dope, man. So make sure you guys go give them a follow, man. Go check them out. Anyway, but as far as that, man, they do my custom work thus far. You know, they've been treating Christine right, man. So we're on the way back over to Unique Rides right now. I gotta go talk to him about some other plans that I got coming up for the summertime, right? So I gotta go talk to him, draw everything out, man, put some things on paper, and then so that we could have a good plan of what we're gonna have this summer, man. So anyway, so on the way over there to Unique Rides right now, man. I'll see you guys when we get there, man. Let's go. That right there is the Bucks Stadium, man. So we just pulled up into Unique Rides right now, man. I tell you, when you come in here, you can't even get into the gate, man. They gotta let you in. Telling me to back up a little bit. Of course, I gotta click on this camera, man. So I got a couple. First of all, did you get bigger, bro? The fuck? Taking steroids, bro? What's going on, man? This dude got huge. So let me show you the first thing, man.
Okay.
You see something sticking out there?
You got a boo-boo?
Yeah, bro, I got a boo-boo. I put a Band-Aid on it.
What happened?
So I was backing up, and it was crazy because it was the day that they ceramic coated the car. You know?
No.
Did you hear that they ceramic coated my car, right?
Yeah.
Actually, it was the day after, so I pulled it out so I could show, you know, show YouTube or whatever. And I was putting it back in, bro, and I hit the wall in my garage.
No.
So look at that.
That's a big one, Mo.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
So what can we do for that?
I could try to. The problem is, it's right on the
Corner, I know. That
right
was
on
like
the body line. That's the problem.
I was like, oh my God. And I was so upset at myself, man. So mad.
I mean, the right way to do it is to paint it and blend it to the middle here, but you have rally stripes. That's the right way to do it. So I don't know if we're gonna redo the stripes, but if I sit here and I paint this and blend it this way, you're definitely gonna tell. It's gotta be blended out to the middle. It's gotta be done right.
So there's no way. So like, 'cause a lot of people were telling me, oh, just get like the, what is it? The pen,
You could do that.
pen kit or whatever.
You're a perfectionist. The car is. You're gonna tell when you get.
Can you tell that I'm OCD?
Sure. You're a perfectionist.
Yeah.
I mean, the car is flawless. The last thing you want is that.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
The right way to do it is to blend it to the middle of the bumper.
And then you got to redo the stripe though. Fuck.
Both stripes, because these are probably going to be off because of the sun. So it's going to have weathered. And then obviously you got to ceramic coat it too, because it has ceramic coating on top.
Yeah, the bumper.
And that being said, is a car at Walmart hit it, so you call it the insurance company.
Right. And then I'm at the hide that video though, because I did a video on it obviously, and I said what I did. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to put that video on private. Yep. Before they go back, because you know they'll come in and be like, oh, this guy got a YouTube channel, and then they'll go look at it, you know what I'm saying, and be like, oh no, you lying, bro.
Yeah, the right way to do it is to blend into the middle of the bumper. If not, you're gonna see it there. You're gonna have a hard line here. You're gonna have a hard line here.
So the real question is, what's something like that going? I mean, obviously you can't give me 100%. What's ballpark figure? It's the real question. I mean,
the problem is that paint is expensive. I gotta see how much I have left from the spoiler. If I have any left at all. In your calipers. I mean, estimate-wise, because the whole bumper's gonna have to get wet sanded and buffed after.
yeah.
So it's gonna get re-cleared. Give or take between $300 to $500.
That's not that bad. Okay, I thought I was gonna have a heart attack.
No.
That ain't bad at all. That ain't bad at all. I thought you were gonna be like about 2 G's.
But then you gotta realize too, with fresh paint, you're not gonna be able to put these back on right after.
For a little while.
Yeah, because it's gotta cure.
What, like a week or so? 2 weeks?
At least 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
At least.
Okay. All right.
Damn.
I could probably handle that.
That's for you.
Oh, I was super pissed. Look, I put a Band-Aid on it, bro. I couldn't stand and watch it. I could not stand and see it, man. And let me tell you, so what happened was, so let me tell you what happened. I don't, obviously, you probably don't watch my videos.
I do.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
I appreciate that, bro. That's love, bro. So what happened
Trust me,
was...
the one you went over to the underneath the underpass how many times?
Oh,
I gotta do it one
yeah,
more
yeah.
time.
Yeah. I love it. I love it, man. People, that's probably one of the most compliments I get. People actually stop me or they like ride around me.
Oh, I saw that when you got pulled over at the on the base.
On the base too. Yeah, but people actually stop me, man. They'd be like, "Bro, that thing sounds so nice, man."
Yeah.
Like the pops and all that stuff. Anyway, but so I was multitasking, man. I was doing so much stuff, man. And then I had a pack and I was cooking, so I did it. So let me tell you, when I did it, bro, I had to edit so much out of my video because I was filming me putting it back in the garage.
Yeah.
I was cursing so much. I was like, damn, I didn't realize it until I went back and watched. But I was so upset, man. I was so hot.
No, again,
so hot.
You could sit here and you could put the touch-up paint on it.
Right. Because if you put the touch up and then
eventually you're not.
But if you put the touch up and then like buff it and all that, like if I get
it's still gonna
T-Fats and all them to buff it out and all that,
you got a tri-stage color paint. It's still gonna.
you're gonna be able to tell.
Yeah.
And I don't want that. I want it to look like new.
Yeah.
But I tell you, man, 500 or whatever on the deep end. Now, for me, I was gonna be a little bit more because then I gotta go get back to the stripes and everything else. The stripes just the whole stripe package is $1,000, and I don't know if they can part it out. I have to see.
Maybe you change the carbon into going maybe satin black to match the wheels. You're gonna go satin black wheels, right? You're trimming around the windows satin black.
I kind of like the carbon though.
And then you have the gloss carbon here, so they're matte carbon.
Yeah. We'll see, man. But the main thing is I just wanted to see how much that was going to be.
Yeah.
So, and then we'll figure out the rest. Damn.
Probably looks good though, even when it's dirty.
It's super dirty. You see it, right?
Yeah, but that's the ceramic coating on it.
So
it
mad,
still shines
man.
when it's dirty.
Yeah, it does. You can see it. You can see it. All right, man. So you guys heard it, man. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, man. I thought it was going to be hurt, but literally I thought it was going to be a heart attack. But it's not that bad, man. But after we do that, we got to figure out. You know, I got to get the stripes back, like you said, because to do it right, we got to do the whole. You guys heard it, man. Basically, got to do respray the whole bumper to make sure it matches perfect. He's called me perfectionist, which I am.
You are.
I am.
That's a good thing. That's your baby.
Yeah, exactly. So we got to respray the whole bumper, which means I got to get new stripes, man. So we have to figure all that out. But anyway, but step one will be to get it done, man, to get it fixed. So my dude Gabe here, as you guys know, man, Unique Rides. They're gonna take care of me when we set up a time and date and everything else. When they got time, we'll come take care of it. Anyway, I gotta talk to him about some other stuff off camera real quick. I'll come back to you on a second, man. All right, man. So there you guys see, man. So talk to Gabe, man. I was in there for about another 20-30 minutes. Just politicking with him a little bit, man. Just chopping it up with him, talking about all these plans I got for the summer for this car. So you know, it's getting different prices and everything else, man. As far as what we're gonna do for the car and everything else, man. We got a lot of plans for the car. A lot of dope things coming, man, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Anyway, so there you go, man. So you see how much it's gonna cost me to fix the car. I don't know, it's a good thing and a bad thing. I mean, it's bad because that's, you know, $300 to $500 that I'm gonna be wasting for no damn reason, man, for literally just being in a rush. That's it, man. For being in a rush, it cost me $500 out of my pocket. You know, 300 to 500. I mean, you know, it could be, you know, depending on how much I guess you got to put into it. But it sucks, man. Anyway, but it is what it is, man. You know, when things happen, man, you just gotta, you know, get it done, get it fixed, and everything else, man. Just move on. It's life. It's life as everybody says it. Like I said, yeah, I'm upset. As you guys seen in my last video about it, yeah, I'm a little upset about it, but it is what it is, man. Nobody died. Nobody, you know, got injured or anything else, you know, with that. So anyway, so with that, man, stay tuned. Like I said, we got a lot of things coming for Christine. I got a lot of plans for the summer. What the hell? Dude just cut me off. Anyway, man, we got a lot of plans for the summertime. And we're just gonna keep it moving, man. So, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Of course, like I always say, you guys want to stay tuned on what's going to be happening with Christine, because, again, like I just finished talking to Gabe, and pretty much laid everything out. I'm going to be shipping a couple things over to him, like as we speak. Just go straight over to him, man, and that way it'll be ready to go. So, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure you guys comment down below, man. What do you guys think some of the, you know, some of the things we're gonna be doing to Christine this summer? What do you guys think some of those are gonna be? Oh, by the way, I still gotta do my my mom for the 3,800 subscriber milestone. Again, I appreciate you guys for getting me there. I'm sorry I haven't put it on yet. Been running around. I wanted to go over this weekend, but I can't even go over this weekend because I got an event to go to on Saturday, which obviously you guys will see. But with that event, you know, I won't be able to go over to that, because where I gotta go to is in Sanford. I'm in Tampa. Sanford's on the other side of Orlando, so it's about a good 2 hours from me to where I gotta go get this stuff installed. So, but you guys will be going with me. You guys will be seeing that done. So as soon as that gets done, like I said, after that gets done, I'm going to announce how I'm going to do the rest of my mods on Christine, as far as the time frame and everything else. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that as well. Anyway, again, you guys know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. And we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.